Hi, I'm Anthony English, and I want to run through a few basics that I use for AIX system administration using spreadsheets. I'm using Microsoft Excel in this example, and what I want to show is a very simple thing. Sometimes you want to work out how long a job has been running. It might be a script, could be a report, some extract from a log file where you have the start and finish time. And so you simply want to work out, well, I know what time the job started. So I have a little script here that does a make sysb backup, and I'm writing into a log file the date and the time, hours, minutes and seconds. And I'm doing that with the started and doing that at the end of the job as well. And so that's very easy to calculate here. It started at 9 a.m. on the dot, finished at 9:02, so at 18. So we know that that ran for 2 minutes 18 seconds, just simply a difference between the start and the finish time minus start time. But if you want to do this for lots of different jobs, or maybe you want to get a view over several days of tasks such as backups or scripts or reports, maybe data replication that you're doing from one server to another, really anything at all where you can see a log file, I find that a better way of reporting this and calculating this information is to use a spreadsheet. Well, here I am in Microsoft Excel, and here's my spreadsheet. So just go into File, New Workbook to open the spreadsheet. You'll see that I've formatted some colors for the columns. That's just for readability. But I have here the start and end time, the start and finish time from that log that we saw before. That was the end time. Incidentally, I produced that in a format using the date command. Check out my article on Power IT Pro to find out how I did that. Right, so here we are. So to calculate how long the job ran for, simply it's end time minus start time. So let's equal that field there. We can click on it, minus that one there. And there you have it, 0.0159, not very useful. That's actually in the number of days. We really prefer to have that in the format of hours, minutes and seconds. So to do that is quite easy. You click on the cell and select format, or right click will do it as well. Alternate click button. And here the format we want is time, and you can see the example there. So this is hours, minutes and seconds. So if the total time is going to be less than 24 hours, then this is an appropriate method of showing the time. So if I select that, look at what happens to the cell. There you are. 0 hours, 2 minutes, 18 seconds. Now I've actually got some other cells here that I've already filled in the start and end time for some different days. So here's one at 1:10 p.m. So they all start at 9 a.m. Make it easy for you. This one finishes at 1:10 p.m. or 13:10 military time, 24-hour time. This one 10:30 a.m. and 8 seconds. This one 6 p.m. So let's just see. I'll just copy that, and you see the time there: 4 hours 10 minutes, 1 hour 30 and 8 seconds. Now we can get more elaborate with that. You may prefer to have that in a format for hours, the word hours, so many minutes, so many seconds. What do we do when the job runs for more than one day? So we can look at that in a future video. But for the time being, here's a basic introduction for using Excel to calculate your data, your time differences between your start and finish time, and you can use it for many other metrics that you can extract from AIX. We'll see you next time.